a vegan dish so tasty, diners won't miss the meat.
That's right. That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Raymond Li, serving up Asian and Mediterranean fusion cuisine at Kaori in Miami.
We'll mix a blend of traditional Mediterranean and Asian mixed with a whole bunch of modern flair. We create a unique product, something different that you cannot find out there. It's a beautiful restaurant, great vibes, and it's a great place to come with friends or with a loved one and have a great time and enjoy some great food.
Kaori is in Miami's Brickell section on the ground level of the SLS Lux building. You can hang out at the bar on the first floor or enjoy your meal upstairs. The menu features dishes created with a blend of Mediterranean, Chinese, and Japanese styles and ingredients. So stop by and check out what we're making today. It's great for vegans and vegetarians. Spicy udon noodles.
So we're gonna get the wok extremely piping hot. As you see, right now it's getting nice and smoky.
Chef Raymond starts by adding scallions to the wok.
As you see, it's gonna char really quickly. That's kind of what you want.
Next up are shallots and maitake mushrooms.
You can use any mushroom that you'll like.
Now Chef Raymond gives everything a little more flavor with minced garlic and minced ginger.
50-50 mix, or if you want to add more ginger or more garlic or more ginger, whatever you're liking.
Next up come the udon noodles.
These noodles here, you can find them easily at your Asian market.
If you can't find udon noodles, whole wheat spaghetti makes for a good substitute. Turn off the heat and pour in a little sauce.
This is our sauce mix. A little bit of tamari, mushroom dashi, and mirin.
Finish with some butter and chili sesame oil. Chef Raymond tops the noodles off with spicy cashews and some fresh herbs.
Hey guys, it's Chef Raymond Li of Kaori, Miami. And here we have our udon noodles with maitake mushrooms, shallots, 5-spice cashews, and chili sesame oil. Simple recipe to make at home. Enjoy.
That was simple. Love that. If you want to try it, check it out. The recipe is on our website. Really easy. Just go to WSVN.com, then click on Entertainment, and then click on Bite. And if you want more easy recipes, follow me on social media. That's easy too. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.
Easy it is. Belkys, thank you.